Before learning more about Web API, let's understand why do we need Web API. So let's suppose you got an idea of a product in your mind and you want to create a website application for that product. So what will you do? You will create a website by using any kind of technologies like ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC framework, PHP, .NET Core, Java or any other framework which is available in the market. And after that, we will store the entire data of this website into this database. Now, after combining this both website and database, we have a fully functional database and application. Now, let's say after some time, we have a such requirement that along with this website, we need to create an iOS application and also Android application. Now we have three separate applications for this project and the database will remain same. That is, all these three applications are going to communicate with the single database only. So website going to communicate with the same database. The iOS application is also going to communicate with the same database and the Android application is also going to communicate with the same database. But if all these three applications are interacting with database directly, then we will have to face some problems. And what are those problems? Let's understand one by one. First one is duplicate logic for each application. All applications have some business logic. If we are calling database directly from website, Android plus iOS application, then we need to write business logic again and again and this will duplicate the code. Second problem is error prone code because business logic is written in all the applications, then there are chances we might miss some logic in some application and this will definitely going to add more errors in the code. And the third problem is that let's suppose you want to create your website by using Angular framework, but remember that Angular is a front-end framework and cannot communicate with the database directly. So where will the website communicate to the database directly? We cannot use such kind of frameworks. And the last point is that difficult to maintain because we have why it is difficult to maintain because we have written business logic again and again in some applications. Let's say we want to improve something in one application and then we need to write same thing and same code in other applications too. That's why it is difficult to maintain. Along beyond all these points, we have a lot of more other problems we will discuss later on. So to overcome this problem, the concept and need of Web API comes into picture.